Welcome to Oumo. In this lesson, you'll learn the essential crochet stitches every beginner needs, plus what you'll need to get started. Let's begin. Place the yarn between your ring and middle fingers. Use your thumb and middle finger to pinch the yarn tail. Hold your crochet hook like holding a pen. Make a circle. Pull the working yarn through the loop and tighten it. Pull the working yarn to tighten the loop on the hook. Bring the working yarn over the hook from back to front. This is called a yarn over. Pull the hook through the loop to form a chain. That's your first chain stitch. Repeat the same process for the next stitch. Keep going until you've made as many chain stitches as needed for your project. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet. Repeat the same process for the next stitch. Chain 2 for the turning chain. Find the 3rd chain from the hook. This is where you'll work. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1/2 double crochet. Repeat the same steps for the next stitch. Chain 3 for the turning chain. Find the fourth chain from the hook, this is where you'll work. Yarn over, insert your hook into the fourth chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Repeat the same steps for the next stitch. Chain 4 for the turning chain. Find the 5th chain from the hook. This is where you'll work. Yarn over twice, then insert your hook into the 5th chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1 treble crochet. Repeat the same steps for the next stitch. Hold the yarn in your non-dominant hand and wrap it around your middle finger. Pinch the 2 loops with your thumb. Insert your hook under the first loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Great job! The magic ring is complete. Start crocheting your stitches inside the magic ring as needed. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Under the little V at the top. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Pull through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook under both loops of the stitch and make one single crochet. Insert your hook into the same stitch again. Insert into the same stitch. Make another single crochet in the same stitch. Great! You've just completed a single crochet increase. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up another loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Great job! You've just completed a single crochet decrease. Thank you for crocheting with Oumo today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more confident with every stitch. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy stitching!